Hello my dear viewers, in this tutorial we are going to learn that how can we use macros option in MS Excel spreadsheet. I have already made a video on macros option but on MS Word. Now this time I am working on MS Excel, so let's see how can we record macros. If you don't know about macros, so we use macros when we have to do the same piece of work again and again over different sheets or different workbooks. So with the help of macros, we can assign a shortcut key to that piece of work and can use that shortcut key to reduce the time consumption. Now let's see the steps that how can we record macros or how can we assign a shortcut key to a piece of work. Here I have a new book open, that is blank spreadsheet. Now what we have to do is go on view tab here, and in the right side of the ribbon we can see the macros option. If we click on it, we get three options, that is view macros, record macro, or use relative references. This is the one way you can use the macros option, and second way is here in the left lower corner. You can see it is saying that no macros are currently recording. Click to begin recording a new macro. So let's do it with the traditional method. From the ribbon, left click on it and click on record macros. That's what we want. Left click on it and a pop-up window will appear asking to give a name to the macro. Let's give a name. Let's say I want to make a design, and we will give a shortcut key to it, and let's give the name DE design and give a shortcut key here. Let's say Q, and remember that this shortcut key is case sensitive, because if you give a capital Q, so it will automatically add shift, so you have to press shift while run that shortcut key. So for now let's Q and store macro in. It is asking for store macro in. So here we get the options like new workbook. So where do you want to store the macro? This workbook, new workbook, or personal macro workbook. So here is a tip that if you want to use this macro in all the workbooks, like new workbooks, old workbooks, so you have to select this personal macro workbook. Left click on it to select and then hit on OK button. Now recording is started. To check the recording, left click on it, here macros. It is saying stop recording. It means the recording is going on and you have to do whatever you want to record. Now let's do something here like merging some text, some formatting here, and we can do some coloring also like this and like this. We can do page formatting also here, like we can give the borders, all borders, and we can change this also. Let's say this was the work we want to record, and this is the work I want to use in different sheet, different workbooks, new or old. So now we have to again go on view tab and click on stop recording here. Left click on it to stop the recording. Now recording has been stopped. Now to test that recording has been done or shortcut key has been applied or assigned, we can open a new sheet here. You can see here a new sheet. Let's zoom in, and when I press ctrl+q, you can see the work is here without doing any formatting. It really makes the work very less time consuming, and it makes us familiar with the Excel, and after this we do not think that Excel is a very big, very difficult thing to do. Now let's check, is this shortcut key working in a new workbook or not? Let's open a new workbook from here, from start menu, and it will take time. So a blank workbook, let's zoom it and let's press that shortcut key here also, ctrl+q. You can see it is working here also in the new workbook. You can also do this with your Excel sheet and record your macros and tell me in the comment box how useful this option is for you. I hope you will find this video interesting, useful. Share this video as much as you can and subscribe my channel for more videos like this.